So we're getting ready to leave for our investigation at Jack the Ripper Museum. We're hoping it's going to be a great night. We're going to meet everyone there. Yeah, so fingers crossed it's a great night, because it will be our first time investigating there. So yeah, so I'll speak to you once we're at the place and once we're all together. Talk soon. Right, we're here at the museum. We're going to take a walk around before the investigation, just to have a look. Apparently there's 5 floors to investigate. So for some reason I had 3 floors in my head, but yeah, we've got 5. So we're going to take a walk around and you can have a quick look. Okay. Anyone here? Who's here? What? Is anyone on this bed? Are you on this bed? What did you used to do on this bed? What did you used to do? Is your picture on the wall? Photo. Sorry. What was that? Is your picture on the wall? Oh. Picture on the wall? Oh. Picture on the wall? Oh. Sorry, is your picture on the wall? Alicia. Alicia. Have you come from somewhere else? What did you used to do on this table? She say? Sorry, I didn't hear you. You need to help me. What did you used to do? What did you used to do on this table? Come on, give us a name. Mama.
When you're alive, it's low again. When you're alive, it's low again. When you're alive, it's low again.
That woman sounds like she went something a little, and then it sounded like he said kid or so. I could be wrong.